Hello, uh, welcome everyone. This is Simon Snipes, and today is the 25th of April, 2020. Uh, Thank you guys for coming to check out this video. And just to confirm, our time today is the 25th of April, and it's a Saturday. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, once again, I just want to thank you for coming out to check out our simple videos. And today, in particular, we are going to be talking about Roy Club. As for some of you know, I'm a Roy Club member, and for those people who are just coming and checking out my videos for the very first time, these videos are brought to you by me, your one and only Simon Snipes, and I'm a member of the Roy Club community. And I also do participate under the Roy Bounty program of the Roy Club. Okay, so putting that aside, today we're going to be talking about goals within the Roy Club system. What is a goal? What's the importance of a goal? How you can set a goal within the Roy Club system, and how the system, helps enables and helps track you achieving your goals. Okay, so when you're investing within the Roy Club, you have probably a goal, or you have something that you want to achieve. Okay, so let's say I want to, I make an investment with an aim of let's say probably buying. Let's say I want to buy an LG fridge. Okay, so I get some good money, and I invest with the Roy Club in order to make that money to buy the fridge. Okay, so the goal is to buy a fridge. So that is our example. Okay, so within the Roy Club gives us opportunity to set up these goals within our Roy Club accounts, and to actively continue monitoring them. Okay, so instructions for creating a goal. So the goal in the Roy Club is your assistant in accumulating on the goal using the capabilities of the Roy Club. So when creating a goal, a special calculator will calculate, taking into account paramining, how much time you need to accumulate, and the amount you need to invest monthly on your Roy Club account in Roy Club if you want to achieve the goal in a shorter time. Okay, so in addition, you will not forget about your goal. Uh, in other words, progress of you achieving your goal is displayed in your account, and every month when you log in, you will be sent a reminder about the need to invest in order to achieve the goal on time. The target will be stored in Prism, obviously because we're using Prism within the system, but you can conduct calculations and view information about the target in the currency that is convenient for you. Okay, so definitely know within the system it is Prism. Okay, but still you can make your calculations based on real fiat currencies, let's say USDs, uh, let's say probably Ghanaian shillings, the Russian ruble. You can make your calculations in that, and the equivalent in Prism is calculated at the time. Okay, So setting goals within the Roy Club is actually a very good thing. Okay, so obviously you would log into your Roy Club account. Okay, so there is usually the button for creating goals within your Roy Club account, and once you click that, you will be given an option add a new goal by selecting add your own in the Roy Club calculator. So you'll definitely enter the name of the goal, which you shouldn't exceed 50 characters, and then of course you enter the amount of the goal and choosing what currency it will be. It will be in terms of Prism. The amount should be at least 100 and should not exceed. That is, I think, 1 billion. I think that is 1 billion prisms. In the same currency, you will be able to see all other calculations. Okay. So once you have created your goal, Roy Club and allows to monitor, and see how far you are in achieving your goal. Okay, so the necessary calculations are made to see how much you need to probably be putting in every month, depending on the time period that you have set up. Okay, and yeah, it's an interesting one. So otherwise, check out the goal feature within your Roy Club account and see how you can start setting up goals within your Roy Club account to enable you catch up with some of those goals in the real world here. Otherwise, thank you guys for checking out the video. It has been brought to you by Roy Club. It has been the 25th of April 2020. Stay blessed.